Ooh, a fidget cube. Cool. Better turn that up. Fidget cube. So, what? Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. Hey everyone, CDT2653 Gamer back here with another video. Where today? Well, I got this fidget cube. That's quite interesting. I like this joystick though. That's pretty neat. You know what would be awesome? If I could just take this and just whoa, not bad. Not bad. So, as you guys saw, I just took this out of the screen, which is not even possible. And this is neat, fidget cube. So, today, we are we have this fidget cube, real fidget cube, versus this fidget cube. So, let's get straight into the video. I think this is pretty interesting. You know, you got the joystick. On here, you do have the joystick. You can move this around. So that's pretty neat. So you got, okay, let's do the joystick movements. The comparison here. So there. And now we are going to move on to the ball. Yeah, this rolly ball. So, let's get into this. Let's see. That doesn't even... You just hold it and makes that really odd noise. There, you can... But there, you can see, you can roll the ball around. Now let's move on to the gears, which is on this same one, as you can see. So we got the gears here. They don't make a noise, surprisingly. So let's move on to buttons. The buttons seem to be just fine. The one thing I really hate about this is that you can't really... It's really hard to scroll around. Okay, but... So, there's this for the fidget cube. And then there's... Does that sound realistic at all? Because it doesn't. So we got versus, which is really oddly weird. Now let's move on to the scrolly pad, which is this. And you can, on the fidget cube, it's a really quite, it's kind of hard to move around. But yeah. Then we have it on here, and you can spin it really fast. Next, let's move on to the switch. So we got versus. So that's quite a difference. You got this versus that, which isn't too bad. Now, have we covered everything? Yes, we have. Last thing I'm going to cover. So, on here, as you can see, you got the ball. You got the ball and the gears. So, on here, there's only the big ball. And there's the gears on the other side. So here's a comparison. So obviously no sound effect for this one, and very clicky noise for this one. And yeah, so there's a comparison. And so the ball and the gears take up 1 square. Why is that? Well, because this is actually an item that you can hold in your hand. This is just an app. So yeah, so where did that other square go? Well, it went right into here. And that is actually the soothing part for your thumb. You can just stick your thumb in there, and it feels quite nice. It just soothes your anger. And I really like this fidget cube, so... So, there you go. There's the fidget cube versus this is the fidget cube versus the virtual cube. I'm gonna call it that. So there you go, guys. If you have enjoyed, please do smash that like button and subscribe. And if you want me to do a video where I showcase fidget spinners versus virtual spinners, I will do that if you put it down in the comments down below, and I will make a video where there's virtual spinners and real fidget spinners. So, bye-bye!